Hey, why don't I play with you?
Don't mess with me. You don't have more demons to fight or something. This is the first time I've seen you in forever.
I would love to play more, baby. However, the fortress needs protecting. I can't be everywhere at once. How does playing Janza sound to you?
I think you should put your armor on.
You must be joking. He is my son and we're playing. Nobody's died from Janza. Ready?
You okay, Mom?
I'm fine. Good shot.
Did I kick it too hard?
No! Kick as hard as you want.
Maybe you should rest.
No, I'm all right. Look at how much fun Nusha's having.
Report! We need reinforcements.
Sweetie, we're going to have to call it a day, but next time, we can play as long as you want. I promise.